Let me introduce you to Daily Log. This software will help you keep track of all of the activities that go on at your job site each day, from keeping individual worker or crew timesheets to logging in equipment and material deliveries and the usage of that material and equipment, transmittals and submittals, inspections and site visitors, job site accidents, right down to the weather for the day. The software also allows you to attach pictures, files, and images to help keep track of all these activities. Now let's start by looking at creating individual timesheets and crew timesheets. As you can see when you log into your Daily Log software, the first screen that will come up will be a list of the projects that you are the project manager of. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a dashboard tab and a timesheet tab. Let's start off the day and clock in and start an individual timesheet. You click on the timesheet tab and you will see a calendar come up across the top of the screen with the time. You have no timesheet that has been started yet, so let's clock in and start our day. You'll get to choose the project that you are going to be working on for the day. Let's say we are going to be working in the Ramsey Farmers Market project. And now you will see a list of tasks that you are involved in for this project. Let's click on the consulting task and let's clock in for the day. You'll now see that you have clocked in to start a consulting project on the Ramsey Farmers Market. If you were ready to take a break, you could click the break and it'll clock you out and clock you in for a break. Or if you are done for the day, you can now hit clock out and it will clock you out for the day. It says, "Are you sure you want to clock out?" And you click yes. And you've successfully clocked out. Now, let's say you finished working on your consulting project for the day, but you needed to clock in because you were going to be working on another project. You could hit clock in again, and it's going to ask you, are you still working on the below project? You could say no. You will now click on the project, and you can click on a different project that you're working for. And if you click on the lists of activities, it'll give you the activities that you're going to be working on for that Wegmans project. And now you can clock in for your site demolition for the Wegmans project. And when you are done with this for the day, you will clock out. And that is how easy it is to make a individual timesheet and clock in and clock out for the day on multiple projects and multiple tasks. Now I would like to show you about how to clock in and create a crew timesheet. And then we will hit the save button. Naveen project. You can start a new crew timesheet by hitting the plus sign in the corner that your list of crew has come up. So let's select the crew that's going to be working on this project with you today. We could have Aiden, we could have Alan, and we can have Alex. And now we've selected our crew. How many hours is this crew going to be working? Let's say they will all be working 6 hours. And what task are they going to be working on? It'll be a new template and say workers for the day. So your worker timesheet has successfully now been added. And if you look at the worker, it has clocked each of their crew for the day with 6 hours. And that is how easy it is to make individual timesheets and crew timesheets in the Daily Log system.